All right, guys, you're welcome back to this video. I'm so excited to have you guys here again. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to um create, I can say, create a multilingual website. Or like, you must, maybe you have created a website and you want that website, you want to translate that website, you want to add a translation feature to that website so that it can be translated into multi languages. That's somebody from Spain can actually use the website, translate into Spanish. Somebody from France can actually translate to French and use it in French. Somebody even from how can I put it, from any country, okay, virtually any country. And this plugin also has like the Igbo language. Yeah, I saw the Igbo language there. So there are so many languages there, okay. So you can integrate this plugin on your website, this feature on your website, and the site is actually translated into several languages. So now let me show you how it works, okay. Let's go to my website. This is my website. All right, guys. So this is my website. This is my website. It's in English. It's actually in English, okay. This is it in English. Now let me translate the website. Let me put it in Arabic. Let's see. Click on this drop down. This is Arabic. Translate it into Arab. So you see everything has changed. The menu has changed. Everything has changed. It's now in Arab. You get, so this is it here. Everything in Arab. Let's change it to, let me say, to French. Let's put it in French. So you see, Nunu Angayong Pukwa Kwa 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 Kwa. I'm not that good in French, okay? So we'll change it again. Let's see German. Let's put it in German. So you see what it's now saying. See, the contact also has changed to, is it contacting on or whatsoever. So guys, I'm not so guys, that's actually how the plugin functions, okay? So let me put the site back in English. Anybody that visits the website is going to see the website in English, okay? Then the person cannot translate. English is actually like the default, so the person cannot translate to any other language, okay? So let me show you the website which we're going to be inputting this feature on it. So this is the website here. It's actually a logistics website, a very cool logistics website which I created. It's just a sample site. So this is it here. This is the site here. This is the site. So you see, this is the logo, the head, the menu. So I'll actually put this feature, this translation feature somewhere around here, okay? Or I can put it here on the menu here. All right. So I'll like to put it here at the end here. So well, you see the way the website is there. This is the hero section. This is the about section. So service section. So you see the website, right? Very cool site. Okay. So now let's go to the back and let me show you how to do that. All right, guys. So this is the back end of that website where we'll be adding this feature. Okay. So now just go down to plugins. Just go down to plugins. We're already on in plugins. Just come to this. Maybe add new. Let's click on add new. Now you come here. Just come here and search. Just search for G Translate. G Translate. Okay. Translate. G Translate. That's the plugin we're going to be using. So when you look here, you see G Translate WordPress. They say translate WordPress with G Translate. This actually by Translate AI Multilingual Solutions. So click on install. When you look at it, has 3,000 plus 300,000 plus active installations. It has 2,825 plus 5-star reviews. It was actually updated 7 days ago. That's 1 week ago. So you see, it's actually a plugin that's up to date. Okay. Then compatibility. It is actually compatible with your version of WordPress. So activate the plugin. Bam. Everything is good. Bam. So here we go. Okay. Here we go. Now, when you look at the plugin, doesn't have any feature on this side like some other plugins actually do have, right? Like Elements Key, WP Form, that it doesn't have. Okay. So how are you going to set now this plugin to give you the results you want? Just come on settings, hover over settings, come here, come to G Translate, just click on G Translate, come to G Translate. Now, just hover. This is actually the G Translate dashboard. This way we have to do all the settings. Now you come here. They say widget look. How do you want the widget to look like? You see, nice drop down with flags. Okay, that's what we're going to take. You see here, widget preview. This is the way it's going to look like. Okay, widget preview. That is how it's going to look like. The colors. We just leave the colors default. We don't need to touch the colors. Okay, but it depends on where you are placing this bar, okay, this widget. So now you have to make it to suit the color, the background color which you are placing it on. But in this video, I'm just going to do the default. So now you see here, translate from. This is the default language, English. Okay. Now, if let's say for example you're watching this video from your country, let me say your country is Spain, your language is Spanish. Okay, you can actually select the default language of the website to be the Spanish, to be Spanish, okay? So that they will then translate from Spanish maybe to English, to French, to Japanese, to Arabic, and so on and so forth, okay? So this is the default language, English. You leave these guys on top. These guys are for the premium version of this plugin. Then you come here, auto switch to browser language. Yes, you tick it so that it should switch to the browser language automatically, okay? So now you come here, show in menu. This is when now you select the location where this widget should actually show. Show in menu. Let's see, primary menu. Yes, I want it to be on the primary menu. Like I explained. Let me show you something. When you look at this is the primary menu. Okay, this is the primary menu. I want it to appear on the primary menu. Now we have to select the location where it will appear on this primary menu. Is it here or on this other side? Let's check it out. So let's see how it appears. Then they say show floating language selector. Show floating language selector. The floating language selector, let's see, top left, uh, yeah, top left, top right, um, top right, no screw, bottom left, and so on and so forth. Let's take top right. Okay, we'll take top right. Then here, show in menu. I think we shouldn't take any menu. We'll just leave this one the way it is. Let's see. Okay, now we'll just let it be the way it is, right? Then we'll come back. We'll see the way it appears on the front end, and we'll come back and see which one we have to select. Then they say here top right. We've taken top right. Then now let's go down. These are the languages you can add. Now let me show you the Igbo I was talking about. This is Igbo here. If I haven't mistaken, okay, you can add as many languages as possible. Japanese, you can add Japanese, you can add so many languages. There are so many languages here as you can imagine. Just select the ones that are okay for you. Then here they say alternative language. You just let that one be okay. Then go down, go down, go down. Just come down, scroll down. Now you look here, they say I have an issue. If you have an issue or if you want to check if you actually have an issue with the configuration, just tick this box, check this box. Then when you save changes, if there are any issues, they will indicate. So guys, if there are any issue with the setup, they will indicate it there that there is but there is no issue, okay? There is no issue. We've actually saved changes. Let's go to the front end of the website and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is our front end. We have nothing here. So let's refresh and see. Refresh. So you see where this language box is actually located. So this is it here. I think it's cool because it's actually somewhere on this section, okay? So I think it's okay. We just leave it here. So now you see, let's try to translate the website Arabic. So you see everything is perfect. Everything is perfect, perfect, perfect. Now when you see the reason why some of these languages are not translated, the reason why some words here are not being translated is because they are doomy text. When I talk of doomy text, what do I mean by doomy text? Let me show you something. There is a Google extension, a plugin, an extension, a Google extension. When you click on it, it is known as this extension is actually known as Lorem Ipsum. This is it, generate Lorem Ipsum. This Lorem Ipsum, when you look as you can see on my screen here, It's actually a doomy text, a text that you cannot read, nobody can read, no machine can read. Okay, it's just a doomy something like maybe you just type A, B, C, D. You can't read that, okay? So it's just a domain text generated to use on sample websites, or you can use maybe to generate content and use maybe on a sample something, okay? So that's why you see not all the texts are being translated. You understand? So because it's not readable, only these headers. Let me put it in English so that you understand better what I'm talking about. Let me put it back in English. So now you see home delivery, you can read that. When you see here Lorem Ipsum, dollar side, Ahmed Wawad, it's not readable. You understand? That's why it's not translated. So only the main readable or the readable text are being translated. Again, so let's translate it to let's say Spanish. Is it Spanish? I didn't add Spanish here. Oh my god. Okay, let's translate it to French. Let's put it to French. So you see here the ones that are readable, it actually translates. So look at like this button. Look this header. Look at this header here. Look at this button. Look at this header. Look at this one. So guys, this is actually how you get things done. Okay. Now, if you see that this thing is actually somehow like color of your back, like your background color, it actually interferes with your background color. Then you can go and adjust it. Okay. You can come here, go back to the back end. Just come here to the back end and you come here, try to change the colors, switch text color, you work on it, switch arrow color, switch border color. Okay, you can work on the colors. Let's see the border color. Let me try to do the border color red. Okay, red border color. Then switch background color. Background color. Let me see if I can take a black background, something like black, but not totally black, gray, dark gray color. Okay, switch background shadow color. No, switch background hover. What should be the background hover color? I'll just make red, but a light red color. Okay, so let's see the way it looks like. See, drop down text color. This is a drop down text color, black. I think it's perfect. Drop down hover color. The drop down, I think it's okay. We'll leave it like that. Drop down background color. We'll just leave it the way they are. Then let's save changes and see how it looks like. Okay, save changes. Let's save changes and see how it looks like. Okay, so I think the drop down, this color, this now see when you do the changes, you look at it here. Okay, when you do the changes, this is it showing here. Now it is actually showing in French because I left the front end of the website in French. So now you see the way it looks like. So let's try to adjust it. This is it here. What should be the now let me change the stuff back to English. Let me put it back in English so that we'll be able to work with it. English back end. Let me put it in English as well. English. Okay. Cool. Let me try to save changes first. Save. Okay, so that is it. Now, the let's see the background color. Let's see the background color. Switcher background color. Um, switcher background color. We'll put it as white, or better still, we can put it as black, or can we put it as red? Let's see red. Switcher background color. We'll put it as red, not too dark. Then let's see if we can work on that text color, the drop down text. Let's see the text itself, that switcher text. That's what we need to work on. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Drop down color, drop down hover color, drop down text color, switcher background hover, switcher background cover over, switcher background shadow text, shadow color, sorry, switcher background color. Oh my god. Switcher border color. Okay, this is the border. This is the border. Then let's see the text. Switcher text. Okay, we'll put the switcher text to be white. Okay, perfect. So let's see the way it looks like here. So you see here, it's great, right? I think it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Switcher background shadow. Let's see the shadow. We'll put the shadow to be red. Yeah, everything looks great. Okay, now let's save changes. Save changes. Okay, guys, I think the arrow tool needs to be white. Yes, the arrow needs to be white. Okay, switcher arrow color. We put the switcher arrow color to be white. So with that, everything looks perfect. So we save changes again. Save changes. So guys, this is actually how. So guys, this is actually how you get things done. You get this plugin done. Now let's go to the front end and refresh and see how it looks like. So guys, let's refresh this website and see. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. Why is this guy not still changing here? I don't know why this guy is still not changing. But in the back end, everything looks perfect. I believe with time, it's going to change. Okay, I believe it's going to change. Maybe or maybe there's actually some interference or so. So this is actually how you get the plugin done. I don't know why the colors are not applying, but I believe with time it's going to change. Okay, so guys, if you got value from this video, guys, drop your value in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section, guys, and also do well to give a like to this video so that others can actually see the video, guys. Just like you know the way the YouTube algorithm works. The more likes you get, the more views or the more exposure your video also gets. So, guys, do well to share the video. Do well to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe because there are more valuable contents coming up, guys. So, see you guys.